Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Thanks for joining us for this awesome YouTube video. We want to show you a really awesome bike that we just built here for a customer of ours. This is a 2024 CVO Road Glide with a 121 M8 engine, variable valve timing, and we just set it up with Jekill Hyde dark chrome match variable exhaust. This is a 3-mode exhaust system. You get stock, medium, and loud. There's no EFI tuning required. It helps you avoid tickets and harassment, but improves the performance and the function, and it's all controlled by an electronic solenoid on the left handlebar. We just did this for a very discriminating customer who wants the very best, and you always get the very best at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're a factory authorized Jekill Hyde dealer. You can see it right here. Jekill Hyde is made in the Netherlands. Quality craftsmanship, excellent performance. I want to demonstrate this bike for you. So when we power up this new CVO, we hit the button on the right hand control, the fuel injection powers up, and I'm going to hit the start button, and you're going to hear it. When it starts, it goes right into the quiet mode, and then I'll demonstrate the 2 other modes. Doesn't get any better than this. This is about the 6th Jekill Hyde exhaust system we've installed at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. If you have any questions, come and see Steve Nickel or Sean Ryan in our service department, 203-730-2453, extension 130 and extension 131. Thank you very much for watching this video.